to share a little bit of some other things we do here. I am Michelle Reichland. I'm a second generation owner at Contour, and have my friend Bob here, Bob Scott, who is our setup guy on our NLXs. And you've met him before, and you've also met Derrick Kinder, one of our manufacturing engineers. And we had an opportunity with a customer who had some overflow work. Now, do we always have the ability to do overflow work? No, we don't. But when we have the capacity and it seems like it would be a good fit for us, we will surely take the opportunity. And we have some bar stock here. And we are actually, even though we are known as a small to medium volume shop with most runs here at Contour, we take the opportunity where we can to keep the spindles turning even in a small lights out capacity way. So Bob's going to show you and Derrick a little bit about what we do to turn this stock into these parts. Bob?
Well, it starts with the bar, and we load it into the machine, and through the process of the machining, we drill and cut it off and tap it and all that stuff, and we can evenly leave it run unattended during lunch, during break, and let it run. We had a meeting today. It was running while we were all in a meeting. So that's the way we're trying to find out how we can make the parts more cost effective.
When we look at some of our product lines that we do run here, we do run short orders. However, we have the capability of running a continuous bar. Naturally, it's shorter. We're not outfitted with a bar feeder. But the machine itself, we are able to process the part, feed it out just like we did have a bar feeder on there with some tricks and tips in there that we have. And we're able to keep the job running unattended. Naturally, every job is going to be different based on the complexity. This is not too bad of a part, but we have that capability here, not just the short runs.
Absolutely, and as any good machine shop knows, you know, the proof is in the process and the engineering up front. So if these guys have done their jobs right up front, they've given us a good process and a process that is smooth, and these guys are able to knock it out here on the floor, and we're thrilled about it, thrilled about the opportunity. Send us a quote, guys. Take the chance.